Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by updating your iPhone to iOS 16 or later for latest hotspot controls. Open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot to enable it now. Choose a strong Wi-Fi password and write the iPhone name clearly. Confirm cellular data is enabled and your carrier plan supports tethering. Note the IP range your iPhone assigns, usually 172, 20, 10, 0 to 172, 20, 10, 255 on typical setups. Keep Bluetooth off to avoid confusing client list. Use built-in controls before adding apps to scan hotspot connections. Open Settings, then Personal Hotspot to view any connected devices and basic details. Swipe down to open Control Center and verify the hotspot icon is broadcasting. Note the exact device names shown in the hotspot device list for identification. If another device is not listed, force close its connection and reconnect to refresh the list. These steps reveal which devices are using your tethered connection instantly and reliably. For deeper scanning, install Fing or Network Analyzer from the App Store to map clients. Launch the app and run a LAN scan while connected to the iPhone hotspot network. The scanner will list device names, IPs, MAC addresses, and open ports clearly. For packet captures, connect a Mac to the hotspot and use Wireless Diagnostics or Wireshark for detailed analysis. Scan the hotspot IP range to identify devices and assess traffic. Then update your hotspot password if you find unknown clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.